Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a random MAC address using the IMEI number of your phone. Okay, first we need to check what is our IMEI number, and it's really easy. Open up your phone app and then type ##06 and hashtag. Above we can find our IMEI number in here where I'm pointing at. And now we need to enter this IMEI number on our page, IMEI.info. Enter the number and then click on check. As you can see, our phone has appeared. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks and then click on MAC address generator. Now in this place we gotta type our true MAC address. In my case, I have already typed it, but let me show where you can check it. Go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find about phone, go to status information, and in here we have phone Wi-Fi MAC address. That's the thing that we need to enter in the search box, and then click on generate random MAC address. Keep scrolling down, and in here we have 10 random MAC addresses. You can copy each address separately, or you can copy all of them by simply clicking copy all MACs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.